We can see a lot of soldiers protecting the Forbidden City. They work really hard because they need to be standing 24/7, taking turns, and they are just making sure everything's fine, everything's safe in this special place. The Forbidden City was carefully built and you can see every single details, even on the roof, the construction, the bricks. If you really want to listen to the story from someone who got a lot of information about it, you got real tour guides. This is the Palace of Heavenly Purity. It was built in the 1400s, a place where the emperor held important affairs. He can have rest, and by the end of the day, 2 emperors who died, their coffins were placed right there. The Forbidden City is not 100% open to the public. There are still many places who are locked, and we cannot go through it, and we cannot see what's inside. If you want to get some cool souvenir from here, I think this is pretty cool because you can have all the clothes, you can dress up and take a picture right there. Here are the souvenirs for your family, for your friend. This place is crowded. As you can see, there are many parents. They're bringing their kids to learn history. This is a chair for someone with a lot of power. Wow, this place is amazing. We can get really close to one of the chairs of the emperor. There are a lot of mysteries in the Forbidden City. As a foreigner, I've always been interested in Chinese culture, so if you're interested into Chinese culture, I think this is a must. The very first place you must visit to know more about China. This is really wonderful. This is pretty cool. In the back you can see there are some places right now that before they previously didn't have, where you can have some meal, they can have afternoon tea. This tree right here you can see is over 400 years, and this is a garden where the emperor used to walk around with their concubines. It's a really beautiful place actually in summer. It turns colorful with the flowers, smells super good, and it's really beautiful. This is the biggest garden in Forbidden City, so if you want to have really beautiful pictures, I suggest you to come here on summer because you're gonna be surprised how beautiful this place is. Now it's time for rest. We've been walking a lot. I just want to enjoy a little bit about this place. Enjoying also of the sun that we have left. It's really amazing, guys. If you have the chance, come to the Forbidden City. It's one of the best places I've ever been in my life. Alright, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. There's a lot of stuff to do here, and I show you just a little bit of what you can do here in the Forbidden City, a place full of magic, history, and for me it was a wonderful experience. I had a really good time, and guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope to see you next time. My name is Will, and bye bye.